Hi, my name is Mike with Old Glory Steele. We hired the concrete cowboy Nathan Nelson to do a project here. He poured 55 yards worth of concrete for us. Did an excellent job, met all the timelines. We're extremely happy, and I highly recommend anybody out there looking for concrete work to contact the concrete cowboy.
We help homeowners get concrete done. We take pride in our work. It's second to none.
Concrete cowboy. Concrete cowboy.
That's right. We do what we say what we mean. Our prices are fair and our work is clean.
Concrete cowboy. Concrete cowboy. It's not about us, it's all about you.
Love and service, that's what we do.
Concrete cowboy.
Love and service.
Concrete cowboy.
That's what we do.
Hello, Utah. My name is Nathan Nelson, the concrete cowboy, owner of Your Home Construction. We help homeowners get concrete done. Text 801-577-9429 or go to concretecowboyutah.com.
Concrete cowboy.
What are you waiting for?
Concrete cowboy.